yes. Very good morning, beta. Welcome to online education. Myself, Mrs. Sanghamitra Pawar from Sivdi Crossroad MPS. Yes. Uh, Now, I would like to say thank you, our administrative officer, Mrs. Veena Sonavne Madam, our nodal beat officer, Mr. Sharad Kurade sir, our nodal HM, that is Mary Pushpam Paul Madam, assistant nodal HM, that is Manpreeti Kaur Madam, and CNO, that is Ratilal Purungale sir. Okay. Now, our today's subject is English. Topic is vocabulary and subtopic is synonyms and antonyms. Okay, our subtopic is synonyms and antonyms. Now, move to thought for the day. So, can anybody read the thought?
Miss, read it, Lakshmi Mishra.
Yes, yes.
Surround yourself with people who know your worth.
Okay. So, thought for the day is surround yourself with people who know your worth. Okay, this is the thought for the day. So, yes. So, it's mean you don't need too many people. You don't need too many people. Yes, in your life. Okay, you have to just the real ones who appreciate you. Okay, this is the thought. This is the meaning of this thought. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
our today's topic is synonyms and antonyms. Okay.
Antonyms.
Yes,
Yes.
synonyms and antonyms. Okay. So,
Yes.
first, we are going to learn about what is meant by synonyms. This topic is related to your scholarship. Yes, very easy topic is there. So, synonyms, that is the words that are similar in meaning. What is meant by synonyms? Synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. Okay. Yes,
Yes.
that is called the synonyms. Got it? Yes. Now there is some list of synonyms. Yes, there is list of synonyms. Yes. So can anybody read the list?
Help.
Help. Help.
Help.
Help means, what is the similar meaning of help? Assist.
Assist.
Yes. What is the synonyms?
matlab-
What we learn today is synonyms and antonyms. So first we are going to learn about synonyms. Okay. So synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. Synonyms
Yes.
are words that are similar in meaning. Okay. So our first word is help. Yes.
Help.
Our first word is help. So which is the similar meaning of that word? Help means assist. Yes. Okay.
Assist.
After that, second word is huge. Second word is huge.
Huge.
Okay. So huge means enormous. After that, ill means sick.
Sick.
Okay. Yes. After that, impartial means neutral. Yes.
Neutral.
Yes. Near means close.
Close.
Near means close. Yes.
Close.
After that, maybe means perhaps. Yes.
Yes.
And rock means what? Find out. Rock means
Rock.
rock.
Rock means stone.
What is the similar meaning? Find out.
Stone.
Stone.
Rock means stone.
Stone.
Very good.
Stone.
Sea means sea. What is the similar word for sea?
Look.
Look. Very good. Native. What is the similar word for native?
Is small.
Native.
Small.
Native. 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 Find out.
Lock.
Local. It's local.
Ah.
After that, joy, which is the similar word for joy?
Joy. Delight.
Delight. Very good. Very good. Which is the similar word for listen?
Here.
Here. Very good. And loving?
Found.
Loving.
That is fond. Fond. Loving, that is fond. Okay. So this is the list of synonyms. This is the list of synonyms. So you have to remember one thing, that is synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. Okay. You have
Yes.
to remember this thing, that is synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. Okay. Now
Yes.
next one. Okay. So here are some pictures and some words are there. Can you see this? Here are some pictures and some words are there related to synonyms. Yes, related to synonyms. So
Synonyms.
first word is intelligent. First word is intelligent.
Intelligent.
So which is the similar word, similar meaning for intelligent?
Bright.
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 Very nice, beta. Very nice. Now next word is plentiful. Yes. So plentiful for that word, which is the similar meaning?
Abundant.
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 Abundant. Okay. So first word is intelligent and the similar word that is same meaning word is bright. Okay.
Bright.
Intelligent. Similar word, similar meaning is bright.
Bright.
After that, plentiful, similar meaning is abundant. Okay.
Abundant.
Yes.
Yes. Now next one. These are also synonyms. Okay. These are also synonyms. Okay. So
Yes.
end means what? What is the similar word for end? Finish. Finish. End
Finish.
means, yes.
Finish.
Yes. End means finish. So end, for end, there is a similar word that is finish. Okay. After that, cold means
I see.
I see. Very good. After that, which is the similar word for begin?
Start.
Start. Very good. So begin means start. After that, cold means I see, and cry means sob.
Soap.
Sob. Yes. So cry. That is the similar word is sob. After that,
Sob.
end. The similar word means synonyms. That is finish.
Finish.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Now next one. Now there are some pairs. Okay. So jump means
Kid.
leap.
Lead.
Leap. Okay. So for the word jump, the synonym that is similar meaning is leap. Okay.
Leap.
After that, kid means
Child.
child. Okay. So child means kid or kid means child. So these are the pair of synonyms. These are the pair of synonyms. Okay. Now next one. Can you see this?
Yes.
Tired means tired, which is the
Tired
similar word. Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Yes. Yes, that bear is so tired means he's sleepy. Okay. So sleepy means tired or tired means sleepy. So these are the similar word that is called the synonyms. That is called the synonyms. Yes. After that, rescue means
Receive.
save. Okay.
Save.
So for the rescue, there is synonym that is similar word is save. Okay.
Yes.
Now, yes. Now next one. Now anybody please read.
Choose. Select.
Choose means
Select.
yes. So which is the synonym for choose? Similar word for choose?
Select.
Select. Very nice, beta. After that, drop, which is the similar meaning?
Fall.
Fall. Drop means fall. After that, happy means?
Joyful.
Very good. Happy
Joyful.
means joyful. Very nice. Idea means?
Thought.
Thought. Idea means thought. Idea means thought. That is the similar meaning. After that, hard means?
Difficult.
Difficult. Very good. And finish, similar meaning?
And
End. Finish, similar meaning, that is end. So these are some pairs of synonyms. Synonyms means similar in meaning. You have to remember this thing. Synonyms means similar in meaning. Okay. Now,
Yes.
next one. Now, first pair is tiny.
Penny.
Tiny means similar meaning. Which is the similar meaning for tiny?
Small.
Small. Very nice, beta. Tiny, that is small. Okay. And next word is ill means
Sick.
sick. Ill means sick. So these are the pairs of synonyms. So let me know what is meant by synonyms. Can anybody? Synonyms means synonyms are words
Synonyms are words
that are similar or different or opposite. Yes. Similar. Very good. Your answer is correct. So synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. Same meaning. Yes. So these are called the synonyms. Now, next one is antonyms. Yes, next one is antonyms. Okay, so antonyms are words that are opposite. Yes, do you understand? Antonyms, yes, antonyms are words that are opposite in meaning. First, we learn about synonyms. Synonyms, that is similar in meaning. Okay, now our next topic is that is antonyms. So antonyms are words that are opposite in meaning. That are opposite in meaning. Okay, so can you see this?
Young. Miss, can I read Lakshmi?
Yes, yes, please read.
Young, old.
Young. Okay, that child is young and that
Young.
person is
Old.
old. So young opposite old. Yes, young opposite old. So this
Old.
is the pair of synonyms or antonyms. Yes, anybody?
Antonyms.
Antonyms. Very nice, beta. So this is the pair of antonyms. You have to
Antonyms.
remember one thing. Antonyms means opposite in meaning. Yes, antonyms means
Yes.
opposite in meaning. Okay. Now next one. Yes. Can anybody read this?
Quiet.
Quite loud.
Yes. Quite opposite loud. That
Loud.
boy is very quiet. Okay. That first boy is very quiet. And second one is he is speaking loudly.
Loudly.
Yes. So quite opposite loud. This is the
Loud.
pair of antonyms. Yes. Got it? Yes. Now next one. Can you see this?
Read Lakshmi.
Yes, yes, beta. Please read.
Closed.
Close.
Yes, open. That book is
Heavy
open.
light. Close.
Opposite word and open and close. Heavy matlab opposite and light.
Yes. Third one is
Matlab opposite and weak.
yes or
Matlab opposite
Thick.
thick opposite thin. Okay, nice. So open opposite closed. Heavy opposite
light.
light. Weak opposite
Strong.
strong. Thin opposite
Thin.
thick. Very good. Very good. So these are the pair of antonyms. Okay. Now,
Yes.
can anybody read?
Shamika. Let's
Yes, beta. Yes, Shamika. Please read.
try.
Yes.
Let's try.
Laugh. It is laugh.
Laugh.
It is laugh.
Cry.
Okay. So one girl is laughing and second one is she is crying. Okay.
Yes.
So laugh opposite cry. Yes. Now, yes. Now this one.
Can I read Lakshmi?
Yes, Lakshmi.
Dirty. Dirty.
Yes. The first one is looking. She is clean. And second one is dirty. Yes. So clean opposite dirty. Clean
Dirty.
opposite dirty.
Dirty.
Now, yes. Next one.
Shamika.
Yes, Shamika. Please read.
Negative, positive, happy,
Sad.
sad,
Above.
below.
Very good. So first word is negative. Negative opposite positive.
Positive.
Sad
Happy,
opposite.
and sad.
Happy,
Above.
Yes. And below above. Below opposite.
above.
Above.
Okay. So these are the pairs of antonyms. Okay. Now this one.
Shamika.
Yes, Shamika. Yes.
Cold,
Cold is opposite and hot.
Hot opposite
Cold.
cold. There is a fire. Okay. So fire. It is hot. And that ice cube is cold. So hot opposite cold. Yes. Now.
Miss, can I read?
Yes, Asan. Yes, Asan. Please read.
And short.
Sweet.
Yes. Ice cream. That candy is
Sweet.
sweet. And that lemon, that lemon or that is sweet like whatever it is sour. That is lemon, na? Sour.
Yes.
Okay. So sweet opposite sour. Okay. Now next one. Yes, Asan. Please read.
Warm, cold.
Yes.
Small, fast, slow.
Very good. So warm opposite cold. Ice cream is cold. After that, elephant is big. And
Big.
that
Small.
mouse is small.
Mouse.
Yes. Okay. Car is It is
Fast.
fast. And snail is slow.
Slow.
Okay, very nice. So these are the pairs of antonyms. Antonyms means opposite meaning. Okay, antonyms means opposite meaning. Okay. Now next one. Yes, 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 beta.
Dry.
Short.
Short.
Short is opposite word and short. Dry
Hmm.
मतलब opposite word and short. Short.
Yes.
Dry.
Okay.
Tall.
Opposite wet. Okay. So
Yes.
dry opposite wet and
Wet.
short opposite
Dry.
short opposite tall.
Tall.
Okay. So yes. Now this one.
Miss.
Yes, yes. Please read.
Larger or small?
Small.
Large. Yes, that log is large. Okay.
Yes.
And other one is small. Other one is small.
Small.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, these are some pairs of synonyms. First, we learn about synonyms, and after that, we learn about that antonyms. Okay. Now, there are some small questions related to your scholarship exam. So, are you ready for that to solve that question?
Yes, miss. I am ready.
Yes. Okay. So,
Yes,
first
miss.
question. Please read, Hassan.
Write an appropriate answer from given option.
Yes.
Where-
Write an appropriate answer from given option. So the first sentence is the
The
shoes
shoes
are
were
too tight.
She
She
would
should
wear
wear diamonds.
one.
Huh. Yes, yes, Hassan. Excellent. Fourth option is correct. Okay, hot is different meaning. Small is also different meaning. Yes. So which one is correct?
Loose.
No,
Miss,
it is not
third
third.
one,
Fourth wala, na?
It is,
Fourth.
yes.
It is fourth. Loose. Tie opposite loose. Tie opposite loose. So the
Loose.
spelling is Loose. Loose. So fourth option is correct. Now, yes. Read the second question.
Find out similar meaning for the underlined word.
Find out similar meaning for the underlined word. Okay, one by one, you have to read the question. Okay, don't make a noise. One by one, you have to read the questions. Okay, okay. So find.
Realize the truth and
Yes.
is told.
Wait. Anshuman realized the truth. Okay, so you have to read the question carefully. What they ask, find out similar meaning. So what is the similar meaning for realized? Understood. Yes. So realized means understood. So your third option is correct. Okay. Now next question.
Lakshmi.
Yes. Lakshmi, please read.
What is the opposite of
Join.
join?
Yes. So what is the opposite of join? So find out any one option. Opposite of join. Which is that word? First one is senior. Second, listen. हाँ.
Join का आएगा miss ignore.
No. Listen. First option is senior. Just I'm going to read the option. First option is senior. Second one is ignorance. Third one is separate. And fourth one is known. Now find out.
Separate.
What is the opposite of join?
Join separate.
Yes, correct. Join, opposite, separate. Very nice. Now, fourth question. Yes, Anusha, read.
Separated opposite word for underlined word in the blank.
Wait. Stop, Anusha. Write appropriate opposite word for the underlined word in the blank. You have to find out the opposite word for the underlined word. So in this sentence, in the story of, yes.
Here and path
Here,
is the beginning, in the dash as steady
tortoise won the race. Okay, so in that story, that hare and the tortoise, this is the sentence from that story, and the underlined word is fast. So fast opposite, slow. Very nice, very good, beta. Now next question, fifth question.
Select any appropriate option from the following to make opposite.
Yes. So sentence is
Milind is wise, whereas Mandar is
Mandar is. Okay, so
Mandar.
wise. Yes, wise opposite word you have to find out. Wise opposite.
Wise opposite. Miss
Clever, full, foolish or cunning.
Wise.
Wise opposite.
Cunning.
No.
Foolish.
Yes, wise opposite foolish. Milind is wise, whereas Mandar is foolish. Okay, so wise opposite foolish. Now, next one.
Which of the words is similar in meaning to the underlined word?
Okay.
Dorothy was scared of
Scared,
the
fierce beast. Okay, so sentence is first you have to read the question carefully. You have to find out.
Afraid.
Yes. No. Listen first. Which of the word is similar in meaning? Similar in meaning. You have to find out the similar meaning of which word. That is fierce. Okay. So fierce, the meaning of word fierce, that is horrible. Fierce means horrible. Yes. Now you have to find out the correct answer.
Fearless.
No.
Terrified.
It is fearsome. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Fierce. Yes. Fierce ka same meaning, that is horrible. Yes. And horrible means fearsome. So your first option is correct. Okay. So that's why I'm telling you, you have to read each and every question carefully. Yes. Now next one.
Choose
Yes.
does not to match with the underlined word.
Yes, choose the option. Listen, choose the option that does not match. Yes, this is very much important. Choose the option that does not match with the underlined word. Yes, and what is the sentence? She has a
frail body.
Okay, so what is the meaning of frail? Frail means weak. Frail means weak. Dubla जिसे बोलते हैं ना, that is called frail. She has a frail body. Frail means weak. So weak opposite? Weak opposite? Strong. Very nice, beta. Weak opposite, strong. Very good. Okay, now next one. Yes, please read.
Four pairs of words are given below. Which pair is not the pair of
One, please read. Yes. Don't read in chorus. Don't read in chorus. You have to one by one read this question. So what this question is? Yes. Yes. Okay.
Disappear. Fat, thin,
Yes.
few, many, false, wrong.
Okay.
False, wrong.
Yes. So which pair is not the pair of opposite word? Appear, disappear. This is the pair. Fat opposite thin. This is also pair. Few opposite many. This is also pair of opposite word. So fourth one is correct. False. It's mean wrong. Okay. So fourth option is yes, correct. Very nice, beta. Now next question. Lakshmi. Hi, Lakshmi. Yes, Lakshmi. Please read.
Find the opposite meaning word for the underlined word. Apples are expensive.
Okay. So you have to find the opposite meaning word for the underlined word. Okay. So underline. Yes.
Cheap.
Apples are expensive, but bananas are
Cheap.
So your third option is correct. Now second one. Yes.
Miss
Shamika. Yes. Yes, read it.
Underline pair. The
son
looked after his mother.
Okay, so find out similar meaning. This is the very nice, Hasan. So
Take care of.
The son looked after his mother. So looked after. Okay, for this word, the similar meaning is took care of. Yes, Hasan, very nice.
Miss.
Yes, now third one.
I have a doubt.
Yes, beta. Read.
What is the opposite of bless? Choosing from the following.
Okay, so
Bless.
opposite of bless is
Curse. Curse.
curse. Very nice. Now fourth one, can anybody read?
Miss, can I read this one?
Miss
Choose and Lakshmi, please read.
Miss is reading.
Choose an appropriate synonyms for well-known. Choose an appropriate synonyms for well-known.
Miss Unknown.
Unknown. No. Appropriate synonyms for well-known. Synonyms. Synonyms means what? Same meaning. So well-known means
Famous.
well-known means famous. Very nice, Asan. Very good.
Hello, Miss.
Now fifth one.
Is not a pair of antonyms.
Antonyms. Okay, wait for 2 minutes. Sir, which of the following is not a pair of antonyms? Okay.
Which
Now
correct?
read each pair and then think about that.
Important is not a correct.
Which one?
Miss third.
Not a correct answer.
Which one? Sorry.
Third.
Third one. Okay. Import, opposite export. This is the pair. Enter, opposite exit. This is the pair of antonyms. Okay. Encourage, opposite discourage. This is the pair of antonyms. So your third option is correct. That is correct means right. This is not the pair of antonyms. This is the pair of
Anton.
no. This is not the pair of antonyms. Then this is the pair of synonyms. Okay. Now sixth one.
Hello, Miss.
Yes. Please
Find
read.
out
Beta.
the correct similar meaning pair from the following.
Okay. Find out the correct similar meaning pair from the following. Now find out. First is mirth means joy. After that, I means I. After that, popular, unpopular, lose. Now find out. No, mirth, joy. You have to find out the correct similar meaning. Okay? Correct similar meaning, mirth, that is joy, that is happy. Okay? So first option is correct.
Popular.
No. That is not the similar meaning. You have to find out the correct similar meaning. Okay? Mirth, joy. Okay, so first option is correct.
First option.
Yes, very good. Now, this is little bit blurred. Just I'm going to read this question. You have to listen it. Write the similar meaning word for to call for. Okay? Write the similar meaning word. Which is that word? To call for. Okay? So first option is summon. Second option is generous. Third option is disturb. And fourth option is haunted.
Miss
Summon. Very good. So call for. When we call for anyone, that is called the similar meaning to call for, that is summon. Okay. Now eighth one. Can anybody read eighth one?
Find a similar word for the
given word. Occasionally. Occasionally. So occasionally means similar word. Occasionally means similar word.
Yes, Miss.
Hello, Miss.
Sometimes, always, never, or more than, more often.
Always.
Think about it.
Sometimes. Hello, Miss.
Sometimes. Very nice. So occasionally means sometimes. So similar meaning of occasionally, synonyms of occasionally, that is sometimes. Okay. Now next one. Now, please read. Yes, beta, please read.
Town, find out the opposite pairs of words from this letter. Miss, I have
these are the letter. Yes, please answer.
Miss, I have a doubt.
Listen, N-I-T-O-U. These are the letters. Yes, these are the different letters. Okay. So from that letter, you have to find out the opposite pair of words. Okay. So either it is in or out, either it is in or on, either it is in opposite to, either it is no opposite till. So you have to form that.
In out.
Yes. Excellent, beta. So you have to find the opposite pair of that word, that is in and out. So I-N in, yes, and O-U-T out. So your first option is Correct. Now last one. Please anybody read.
These twins look beautiful. Pick the opposite of the underlined word.
So what is the opposite of beautiful?
Ugly.
Excellent. Ugly. Beautiful, opposite, ugly. Opposite, that is antonyms. And synonyms means similar word. Okay, so do you like this?
Hello, miss. What is meaning of synonym?
Synonyms, that is similar words. And antonyms, that is opposite word. Okay?
Opposite word.
Yes. Yes. Synonyms, that is similar meaning. Similar meaning. Yes. Now it is a time to evaluation. Okay. So yes. So there are some words in that bracket. Okay. So question is synonyms here. Synonyms are words that have the same meaning. Antonyms are words that have the opposite meaning. Now there is the word that is giggle, happy, look, fast, sweet, old, asleep.
Miss fast का है सिलो.
Sorry?
Glad.
Giggle, that is
Glad.
Red.
happy.
Sad.
Sad not. It's
Not
happy.
no.
Listen,
Happy.
the first part is synonyms, means you have to find out the same meaning. And in the second part, that is antonyms. Listen. First we have to go for antonyms. Sweet opposite.
Sure.
Sweet opposite.
Star.
Yes. Old opposite.
Close. No, miss.
Young. Very good.
Young.
Asleep opposite.
Sleep.
Tired.
Awake.
And open opposite.
Close.
Okay, these are the antonyms, means opposite meaning. This part is done. Now move to synonyms, that is similar meaning, same meaning. Okay, now fast ka same meaning. What is the same meaning of fast?
Slow. No,
Quick. Same meaning. Look means see. Happy means
laugh.
Glad. Happy means glad. And giggle means
Laugh. Giggle means laugh.
okay. Now next one is there.
Miss,
okay, read this question.
Match of words in A with its B opposite in B.
Okay, match a word in A with its opposite in B. So high opposite.
Yes, it is Anton.
Yes, anybody read? Low. Loose opposite.
High opposite. Low. Loose opposite. Low. No, loose.
Refuse opposite.
Refuse
Miss permanent.
No. Temporary opposite permanent आएगा. Yes.
Miss lose का आएगा.
That is not lose. That is loss opposite gain. Loss opposite gain. Yes. Okay. Refuse means refuse opposite.
Refuse.
Accept. Heavy opposite. Light. Very good.
Heavy opposite light.
Opposite. Add opposite.
Heavy opposite.
Subtract.
Very good. Minor opposite.
Minor.
Major. And indoor opposite. Simple. Outdoor. Very good. Nice one. Now, do you like all these slides? Yes. Do you like all the temporary opposite permanent? Okay, this one is done. Okay. So let me know first what is mean by synonyms. Do you understand? Do you like this? Yes. Okay. So let me explain about what is mean by synonyms. Synonyms means what?
Synonyms means
yes. Similar. Yes, please answer.
A similar word.
Similar meaning.
Meaning is different.
Yes, and antonyms means
Antonym opposite words.
Okay.
Word.
Okay, now listen first the definition of synonyms and antonyms. Just I'm going to revise the definition. You have to listen it carefully. So synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. Very simple. Synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. Okay. And the antonyms are words that are opposite in meaning. Okay.
Opposite meaning.
Oh, yes, yes. Very
Yes.
nice. Very nice. So now it is a time to homework. So this is your today's homework. Okay. So you have to match the synonyms. You have to observe that picture, read that word carefully. That is from A column and B, and then you have to match the synonyms. Okay. Do you understand?
Miss
Yes.
unhappy.
Okay. Okay. This is your today's homework. So complete at home. Okay. So thank you, kids, for your kind support and cooperation. Okay, take care and bye. Okay,
Safe.
bye, bye, bye.
Bye, Miss.